Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on using email templates on monday.com. In this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to create and how to use templates to streamline your communication. The process is very simple, very easy. First thing first, what you need to do is go to your wix.com. Here you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and then it is going to direct you to your dashboard because of the email or the Google account that you have selected. Let's just say this is the dashboard. After you have answered the simple questions to create the dashboard, you will be able to access the email templates. Now there are two methods by which you can send emails through monday.com. Number one is there is the manual method by which you can manually send emails to monday.com. The other method is by sending the automated emails. Let me just tell you guys how to add them manually. The process is completely a labor route and it is not prioritized. You need to log in, you need to navigate, you need to send, you have to click on this button on more, then you need to send the email from here. But if we talk about you need to send the email from here by selecting the email, and then you have to send the email to the subject and body. That process is quite hectic. But the other method is very easy and very simple. And most of the users on monday.com, I'm so sorry. Okay, on monday.com, they're mostly using these automated emails by going to the automate. Here you're going to click on this. Then what you're going to do is go to the automations. Here you see this is the automation history, and I'm going to teach you guys from the scratch how I have done this. And if you don't like it, you're simply going to delete this because it is of no use for me. Now let's just start from the scratch by clicking on automations. This is how the drop-down menu is going to appear on your screen. Now all of these features in the categories, you see explore, AI-powered, recommended, productivity, dates, communication, sync, connected, and mirror columns, or let's just say the created. Okay, so these are of no use for me. What I'm going to do is click on this integration. Here, when you click on the integration, you see there are the options of integration that you can use. That when dash changes to dash, notify in the channel dash. You can use these. Okay, so these are basically how the integration. I'm going to click on the Gmail. Now when I'm going to click on the Gmail, you see there are the options of every time period. You see there are so many statuses. You can use any one of these as the template, or you can also start from the scratch. You see any one of these. Like here you see there are two options, like you have to send email from monday.com to Gmail or from Gmail to monday.com. Like every period time status, if status is something, send an email to someone, or this one is when an email is received, create a type of item in the group. So these are the templates that you can use. But if you're looking for something to start from the scratch, what you're going to do is you're going to choose it from here, that when this trigger happens, this is that you're going to set up a trigger for yourself. For example, when the status changes to something, or when the item's created, or the column changes, or the date arrives, or every time period. Let's just scroll down more. The button clicks, person assigned, status changes from something to something, or the email changes, or the update created, item's name changed, item moved to the groups, item moved to the board, sub item status changes, sub item created. I'm thinking of what should I choose. Let's just say I choose this one, that when an item is created. So this is basically the trigger that is going to help me send an email or use an email to create the specific items. But this one is that when an item is created, it is going to send it from the monday.com to Gmail. So let's just find the trigger for this. Here you see there's an option of Gmail. Send an email you are going to type the email here. I would say A, B, C, D, E, F. This is my trigger. This is my email. You can send the email to the column, to the team member, or you can also send these to the people or to the board subscribers. And this way you would be having an easy communication with these people. Or you can also send this to someone, I would say, to the team member. These team members are these, or you can also send these to the people or to the board subscribers. Now, if you want to delete it, there's an option of delete over here, but if you're looking for adding some more actions, you can also add multiple actions to the multiple triggers. It means that you can add more conditions, or you can add more results to those conditions. Okay, so after that, you're going to go click on create automation, but before that, I have set an email. You can also here, you can add the item name, board name, username, due date, status, honor, group name, or there are so many options. You can use any one of these. I'm going to enter the name, let's just say A, B, C, D here. And yeah, you have to enter the email here. Connect your Gmail account. After connecting your account, you can recreate the automation. So you simply have to connect this from going to this. Or if you're not looking for that, you're simply going to turn back here. And yeah, this was just a sample. This is how you're going to create the automation here. And this is how your automated emails would be generated. So yeah, I hope this was very easy. By following these steps, you can send emails manually to communicate with the team members or to the external stakeholders. Or by following these steps, you can effectively use automated emails, or the email templates that I've shown you guys. Let me show you guys all the templates again by going to the integrations. Here you're going to go to your Gmail by scrolling down. Here you see this is the Gmail. I'm going to click in this, and it is going to help you create something from the scratch, or you can also use all the templates here. These are the templates for the email that you can use. Let me just show you one template too, so that it would be easy for you guys to pick one. I'm going to choose this one, or from the basics. Okay, so you can also use any one of these, or you could start from the scratch. You can also manage the already existing ones. Or what you can do is just this is how you're going to click on the Gmail. Now you're going to use any one of these templates. Let's just say I use this template, and you have to simply go connect your Gmail account, and you have to enter the details manually, and in this way you will be able to use your email templates. So this is how you are going to send the emails, automated emails, to your members, to your workers that are working together. And this was all. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you so much.